Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and today we are continuing trading with you. I just want to kindly remind you, if you want to be a part of my closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals, you can just text me a code word signal in my Telegram account. The link to it will be in the description box. Let's start trading. Hey guys, today I will try to increase my deposit, and for this I will use classical technical analysis. After all, you all know perfectly well that everything is always repeated in the market, so today I will work on those situations that I know and understand best. These are support and resistance levels, internal levels of ascending and descending trends, as well as other situations and patterns in the market. From all situations that the market will offer us today, we will try to make a profit. And so friends, let's get started and consider the first situation on the market. Here we have resistance level. We also see that there was a good confident upward movement here. At the moment the price is pressing our level and I think it will be broken in the near future. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes for increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue its upward movement because the price here also has an excellent potential to increase. The main price lows are getting higher. 2 minutes is also with a margin, taking into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our first deal and see what result we'll get. Great friends, as you can see the price continues upward movement and this level was broken through by a good impulse green candle, and here we get a gorgeous confident profit. We also see that at the moment after an impulse breakout of this level there is a damping and the price begins to slow down and roll back down. In this situation I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to decrease. I think that we will get into a corrective movement and the price roll back down, since as in most cases after an impulse breakout of the level a corrective movement occurs, and I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough for us. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Quite good friends, we got into pro trade, but still after that downward movement continued and we are making a profit here. 1 minute was just enough for us. Great start. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we see the level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a downward movement and at the moment the price is already starting to break through our level. Here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to decrease. I think that we will get into the most impulsive downward movement. It's the very breakdown of the level. After all, the price here also has a good potential for decrease. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad friends, the price really broke through this level and continued its downward movement. Everything is going great. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we see the level of support. We also see that there has been a good confident downward movement recently. The price touched this level and there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price continues downward movement again. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in this situation the price is more likely to continue its downward movement. It is also possible that this level will be broken through, since the price here also has an excellent potential for decrease. The main price highs are getting lower. 2 minutes also with a margin taking into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback up. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's quite good. After a slight upward pullback, the downward movement continued and this level was broken. And here we are getting a gorgeous confident profit. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we see the level of support. We also see that there was a good confident downward movement here. After touching this level, a rollback occurred, and at the moment the price is again approaching our level with a rather impulsive red candle. Also at the moment there is some kind of pro trading going on. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes for decrease. I think that in the near future the price will also continue its downward movement and perhaps this level will be broken. After all, the price here also has an excellent potential for a decrease. The price is more likely to continue its downward movement, and so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great friends, the price continues downward movement. There was also a false breakout of this level. The price is right at the level. There is a slight damping. I think that in the near future this level will be fully broken though, so we can open the next deal here. Let's go down again for 2 minutes. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad at all, the price continues downward movement and this level was fully broken through. And here we are getting a gorgeous confident profit. Let's continue and find the next entry point. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend and the price highs are getting lower. The price touched the support level and there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price continues its downward movement again. In this situation I also suggest open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that the downward movement will continue and at least to the support level. After all, the price here also has a good potential for a decrease. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken through, or at least the price will simply continue its downward movement. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great friends, the price really continues downward movement. This level has been reached and we are getting a great confident profit. So far everything is going good. Let's continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that there has been a reversal from this point and the price is currently moving down quite impulsively and confidently. Also, small upward pullbacks naturally occur. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue its downward movement because the price here also has good potential for a decrease lately. 3 minutes also with the margin taking into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback up. After that the price is more likely to fall. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad friends, after a little pro trade and after a pullback, the downward movement continued. We are getting a great confident profit here with you. 3 minutes was enough for us. Also at the moment the price has confidently approached this level and already starting to break through it with good impulsive red candles. We can open the next deal here. I think that in this situation after such a confident impulse breakout of the level, a correction will occur. So right now at the moment the price is already starting to slow down. Here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to increase. After an impulse breakout of the level there is a corrective moment, a slight upward pullback. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great, the price really got into the correction zone. There was a pullback. We are making profit here. Everything is going great. Let's continue and consider the falling market situation. So friends, we have a level of support down here. The resistance level is at the top. We also see that the price moves in this range from level to level. Right now at the moment there is a pullback down from the top level, and here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute for a decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move to the support level as the price moves in this range. This type of trading is called scalping. The price falls into a certain range and moves in this corridor. And in this situation we open deals from the level in opposite directions. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Quite good friends, there has really been a pullback from the top level and we are making profit here. 1 minute was enough for us. Meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on deposit, therefore I propose to open another last deal for today. Now I'm going to watch the price for a bit. As soon as it approaches one of the levels with an impulse, we will open a deal in the opposite direction. So friend, just at the moment we see that the price has reached the support level by impulse. Here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to increase. I think that in this situation a pullback in the opposite direction is more likely to occur. Since the price has reached this level with an impulse, a pullback is more likely to occur. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough for us. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad guys. As you can see, scalping works out perfectly and we are making a profit here with you. Meanwhile, I already have $4,000 on deposit. I suggest we end here. After all, one of the main rules in trading is a discipline, and if you have fulfilled your plan for today, then finish trading and leave the market. But I can say with confidence that in the near future there will also be a pullback down from the upper level and scalping continues to exist and the price moves in this range. Thanks for watching this video till the end guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I just want to remind you that if you want to be in my closed group where I'm sharing trading signals free of charge, you can just text me code word signal in my Telegram account. I left the link in the description box. See you in the next video.